welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to practice writing letters L, M, N, O, P in cursive, both capital and small. Let's begin. Now see, this is L, this is M, and this is N. Pattern remains same like we have written K, J, okay, I. So you have to use all these 4 lines to write the letters. Let's start from here. Now this is the pink line. Give a curve over here, make a small curve here and take it to the top. This is letter L in capital. Now small you start from again here and just twist it here. So in this way we write L. How? You trace these dots. Trace these dots properly so that you can start writing L. Okay, so this way we write L. Now from here again you write the small letter. Done. So how will you do it over here? In this blank space, so you have to utilize this curve, another curve, and leave it over here. Done. Always remember, cursive writing means all these curves and these lines are always there. Okay. Again take it from the top, bring it down here. Now M. From here again we start, not straight but a slant line. Again then a slant line. This is also same and stop over here. So you write capital letter M. Move from here and just give a twist like this and write M in small letter. Once again, okay? If you trace properly, you can make it very clear that how we write cursive writing. Okay. So this is M. So we start from here, little tilt, done, and M. Done? Yes. Now we will write the small letter. Okay. Clear? N goes same, but see, M is having this 3 curves whereas N is having only 1 curve. Clear? So let's start. Again slant this way, bring it down and up. Clear? Okay. Next one. Up, down, and twist. So you take it up here, give a curve over here and take it up, put it down and then again take it up. Done? Now this is the small letter N. Done? Let's write O. O is the easiest one. You start from the top, take a circle and just stop. You start from here now. Okay, bring it down and then just turn it. Done. Another one. So we start from here, just trace the dots. Okay, done. Now from here again bring it down, a curve and stop here. Okay, now over here we will write. So take a start from here and just twist it. Done? Next we will write here small letter O. So we'll start from here. Done. Okay. Next again. So you start from here. Done. Okay. Next. Start from here and done. So this way we write O, P. Now keep one thing in mind when you are writing P, since it is attached over here, so you are putting it down. Okay, but this is separate, this is separate. P is this much only, capital letter. When you write small, then you start from here, bring this down, and you take a twist over here. How do we do? See, we take a turn, we stop here. This is capital letter P. All of you please mark, this is capital letter P. Now we take a turn from here, up, bring it down, and then again one curve. This is small letter P. Okay, so in this way, do complete all the letters till P. I would advise everyone every day practice handwriting, otherwise you won't be able to start writing in cursive. Okay, so today till this much. Take care. Bye bye.